Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today in this French lesson we are going to see how to use the verb s'en aller. S'en aller translates to leave, to go away. It's a strange verb because it's a reflexive verb including the pronoun en. So let's talk about it. Before we start, don't forget to grab your free PDF on my website to keep and review. And also this video is sponsored by Lingopie. We are going to use Lingopie to see some example in context for the verb s'en aller. So let's start. S'en aller in French is made out of three different parts. We have S apostrophe, which is the reflexive pronoun. We have en, which is the pronoun and it means here. And we have aller, which is the verb and it means to go. All together, it means to leave, to go away. Let's quickly see its conjugation in the present tense and in the imperative before seeing some examples. We are only going to see these two conjugations because they are the most common ones for the verb. I did make a blog post for you with all the conjugation of s'en aller and all the notes around it. So if you want to check out the blog post, I will have it linked below. So we have je m'en vais, tu t'en vas, il s'en va, elle s'en va, on s'en va, nous nous en allons, vous vous en allez, ils s'en vont, elles s'en vont. And then in the imperative we have va-t'en, allons-nous-en, allez-vous-en. Okay? If you remember those two, you'll be perfectly fine using s'en aller in daily conversation and you will be able to understand when it's used in a TV show or in a book. Now let's look at them in context with Lingopie. You know that I love Lingopie for all its interactive features. If you don't know what is Lingopie, Lingopie is an app with a catalog of movies, TV shows, and documentaries in French. I particularly love their interactive subtitles and flashcards to review at the end of a show or a movie. Those are my favorite. Today, we are also going to use another of their interactive features with the dictionary to find the verb in context. So I'm going to type tu t'en vas in the search bar and we are going to see three examples together. I will have the link for the dictionary as well in the description box. The first one.
Tu t'en vas aussi? Oh, j'aurais mieux fait de me taire, je suis vraiment trop bête.
One more time.
Tu t'en vas aussi? Oh, j'aurais mieux fait de me taire, je suis vraiment trop bête.
Okay, so here, tu t'en vas aussi, tu t'en vas aussi, j'aurais mieux fait de me taire, je suis vraiment trop bête. But, tu t'en vas aussi, are you leaving too? Okay, tu t'en vas aussi, very easy to use. Tu t'en vas aussi, are you leaving too? Second example.
Alex s'en va avec le capitaine.
Tu t'en vas?
One more time.
Alex s'en va avec le capitaine.
Tu t'en vas?
So here we have two different times the verb s'en aller. Alex s'en va avec le capitaine. Alex s'en va avec le capitaine. Tu t'en vas? Tu t'en vas? Alex s'en va avec le capitaine. Tu t'en vas? So Alex is leaving with the captain. Leaving, okay? So s'en aller, to leave. It's very easy to use, it's just a confusing one, I get it. The third one is a little bit faster, but let's see it twice.
On aurait pu éviter deux victimes, une troisième, je le supporterais pas. Surtout si tu t'en vas.
One more time.
On aurait pu éviter deux victimes, une troisième, je le supporterais pas. Surtout si tu t'en vas.
Okay, so on aurait pu éviter deux victimes, une troisième, je ne le supporterai pas. Surtout si tu t'en vas. Surtout si tu t'en vas. Especially if you leave. Surtout si tu t'en vas. Okay? So you see the verb s'en aller is easy to use. It's really not hard. It's really just to leave. Not much about that. I know it can seem very confusing, but very easy to use. I know that on this episode they were talking very fast, so if you want to review the pronunciation, don't forget to click on the little speaker to hear the word.
Surtout.
Then it goes to your flashcard and you can review at the end. Lingopie also works with Netflix, by the way, So if you have Netflix, you can just use Lingopie with it to have the interactive subtitles and all its features. You can try Lingopie for free for 7 days and get 70% off the lifetime subscription with my link in the description box and my first comment. They add new content all the time, so you will never get bored. To come back to s'en aller, as you saw, very easy, and it is a synonym of partir. It's just a bit more work because there are 3 different parts in the verb, but that's it. Please let me know if you have any question about the verb. I will be more than happy to help you. Don't forget your free PDF, and I will see you next Wednesday for a French listening practice. À mercredi prochain.